Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make collard greens with smoked turkey neck bones. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh collard greens and 1.5 pounds of smoked turkey necks. Also, have on hand 1 large onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and 4 cups of chicken broth. Don't forget your favorite seasonings, like salt, pepper, and a touch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Next, we'll prepare the smoked turkey necks to create a rich, savory base. Rinse your turkey necks thoroughly under cold water. Place them in a large pot with 4 cups of chicken broth, then bring to a gentle simmer. Cook for about 2.5 hours or until the meat easily falls off the bone. Remove the meat, shred it, and set it aside, keeping that delicious broth in the pot. Now let's get those collard greens ready. This step is crucial for a great dish. Wash your 2 pounds of collard greens in cold water at least 3 times, ensuring all grit is gone. Next, remove the tough central stems from each leaf. Stack several leaves together, roll them tightly, and then slice them into 1-inch strips. This preparation ensures they cook evenly and absorb all the wonderful flavors. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for that perfect pot of collard greens. Add your prepared collard greens directly into the simmering turkey broth. Stir in the shredded turkey meat and taste, adjusting the seasonings like salt, pepper, or red pepper flakes as you prefer. Let it all simmer together for about 1.5 hours, or until the greens are incredibly tender. Serve hot and enjoy this comforting, flavorful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.